different kind of robots. This is the configuration system. Here we have, in this machine, they have this way. All the machines should have this vibration system. Yeah, all of them. There's another of the security part of the machine. Configuration, we have the switch, the stop, the switch. They have three positions: the starter, the working position, and the zero. We have the silencer, exhauster.
Did you the silencer? And
This thing, yeah. This is the noise, and also the smoke is going out of here. And after we have the chain, the system of the chain. What is the thing is important thing? We can talk of the chain. I will have one board here. Okay. I can write a couple of things here about the chain. So, okay, one chain. There is different kinds of chains. This is the normal chain we use. There is chains also for hard boots, for soft boots, for different purposes, but the standard ones is this one. So the chain we have